Ever heard of the term crypto winter? It's been getting thrown around a lot lately, and with good reason. The cryptocurrency market has taken a bit of a tumble in recent months. But hey, that's the world of crypto, right? Volatile, exciting, full of potential. Cut to energetic host. Now, if you're someone who's been paying attention, you know there are some cryptos out there weathering the storm a bit better than others. One name keeps popping up, Solana. Solana, SOL, has been gaining serious traction, and for good reason. It's fast, scalable, and has ambitions to be a major player in the decentralized finance, DeFi, space. Cut to screen with text overlay, Solana, SOL, hot commodity. So, it's no surprise you might be interested in jumping on the SOL train. But where do you even begin? How do you buy Solana? Well, that's where things can get a little tricky. There are a bunch of different cryptocurrency exchanges out there, and not all of them offer Solana. Cut back to host. Today, we're going to be diving into one specific platform, Newton. Is Newton the place to buy your Solana? Let's find out. Finding the right exchange. Cut to screen with text overlay, cryptocurrency exchanges, a maze of options. Alright, so you're ready to buy some SOL. But with so many exchanges out there, how do you choose the right one? Security, fees, ease of use, there's a lot to consider. Here are a few key things to keep in mind. Security, this is absolutely paramount. Your crypto is valuable, and you need to make sure the exchange you choose has top-notch security measures in place. Fees, exchanges make money through fees on transactions. These can vary wildly, so it's important to compare rates before you commit. Payment methods, not all exchanges accept the same payment methods. Do they accept your preferred method, credit card, debit card, bank transfer? Supported cryptos, this might seem obvious, but hey, you never know. Make sure the exchange actually offers Solana, SOL, before you sign up. Newton under the microscope. Cut back to host. Alright, so with those criteria in mind, let's see how Newton stacks up. Cut to screen with split sections, left, security, right, Newton's take. Security, Newton takes security seriously. They use industry-standard security practices like multi-factor authentication and secure storage for user funds. Fees, Newton boasts some of the lowest fees in the market. They have a flat fee structure, so you know exactly what you're paying up front. No hidden charges. Payment methods, Newton allows you to buy crypto using a variety of payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Supported cryptos, here's the good news, yes, Newton absolutely supports Solana, SOL. You can buy, sell, and trade SOL on their platform. Buying Solana on Newton, a step-by-step guide. Cut to screen with text overlay, step-by-step guide, buying Solana on Newton. So, you've decided Newton might be the right exchange for you. Great. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to buy Solana, SOL, on Newton. Sign up, head over to Newton's website and create an account. The sign-up process is quick and easy. Verification, to comply with regulations, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves submitting some basic documentation like a photo ID. Funding your account, once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Newton accepts a variety of payment methods, so choose the one that works best for you. Buying Solana, now for the exciting part. Navigate to the buying section and search for Solana, SOL. Enter the amount of SOL you want to purchase and confirm the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Solana, SOL, on Newton. Beyond the basics. Cut back to host. Of course, buying crypto is just the first step. Newton offers a user-friendly platform where you can manage your SOL holdings, track prices, and even set up recurring buys to automatically add to your SOL stash over time.